Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. So we've definitely got shapes and mathematical words, cone and sphere and triangle and area and various others. But I don't know exactly which 4 are going to go in that group. So, your domain, your field, your area of expertise, and your sphere, I suppose, are all synonyms. They are indeed. Realm of expertise, that's the exact word I used. Right. A flare and a horn feel similar, but I don't know what else would go in that group. A fiddle and a recorder are both instruments. Maybe they go with triangle and horn. I think those are the only 4 instruments. So that leaves cone and pyramid, but no other shapes. So what else? A processor, what's that got to do with anything? Processor is part of a computer, I suppose? Processing unit? But what about a barrier? A water barrier? Solar flare? And then fight. What on earth has fight got to do with anything? Only thing I can think of with fight is that if you change the first letter you get 8, which is a number. But there aren't 3 other words where that's also true. I think that is a group they've had before. Cone, I suppose, could change to none, but yeah, that's definitely not a group. So what else? I mean, a pyramid and a cone, it's hard to ignore how similar those 2 words kind of are, at least the things they describe. But yeah, I just don't think that's going to be the group. So what about other options? We whizzed through those first 2, but these last 2 tripping me up somewhat. Chain something up. A chain is a barrier, I suppose. I mean, also I suppose you could say a cone in the road tells you not to go there. And maybe a flag? I am not at all confident that these 4 make a group, but at least I found some logic that does link them. They could all be things that prevent you from driving in a particular way. I don't know what the other 4 would be, but let's go for it and see what happens. I am 1 away. That is a bit annoying, because it means that I'm nowhere near, because none of the others fit this group that I was thinking of. But clearly the connection is something completely different. Let's get rid of barrier and put in flare and see if that helps. It's still 1 away, so we'll go for another guess. That's 2 away. Interesting. So that definitely means... what does that mean? That means flare and barrier have to be in this group, and I have to remove another one and do fight or processor. So if I took out... No. In fact, what it does mean is it has to be fight, processor, pyramid, and one of the things that I've got highlighted, I think. Pyramid scheme? Fight club? Processor club? I've got no idea. I think it has to be these 3 plus one other that is not flare or barrier. But I could be wrong about that, and I don't know which one it is anyway. So, let's just go for a guess and hope. Oh! Food chain, food fight, food processor, food pyramid, of course! I feel like I should have got those. And then what are these for? Used to redirect traffic. That is exactly the group I was thinking of. Which one did I not spot? A barrier, a cone, a flag, a flare? In what way is a flare used to direct traffic? I don't know. Anyway, it didn't matter, because I just about got there in the end. On the last life. That was a little bit of a struggle towards the end, but it was a success. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.